Hi, today I do a bike check, guys. First I have Cult Leader bars, 9-inch rise, MT stand, Shadow Bluetooth forks, Shadow Raptor hubs, lace to Eclat trip-in. And I have two new speg fit by Co. My frame is S&M BTM new frame. I like it. I have a Primo headset and a Federal fat seat. I have a McNeil crank, Odyssey twisted pedals, and a new sprocket, the tree bike Co. I have a KMC half-inch chain. In my baby I have a profile, and my rim is a G Sport. My two tires is a Cult Day Art. My tank is fit by Co. And that's my bike.